Stay home, save lives.
Hi girls, I am Ritu Awasthy and I am here to explain variables and constants topics of Python programming. So here we go. We have already seen what are variables in our earlier videos. Today I'll tell you what are constants. Constants are the values which we store in a variable. For example, A equals to 10, B equals to Kamal. So what are these? Here A and B are the variables and 10 and the word Carmel are the constants, that is the values which we store in the variable. There are two types of constants, numeric constant and alphanumeric constant. So as the word states, numeric constants means 10 or any numeric number, decimal number or positive or negative number can be a numeric constant which is stored in a variable. Next, alphanumeric constant. Other name of it is string constant. String constant, as the word suggests, it is made up of group of characters, for example Carmel, and it is always written in double quotes or single quotes whenever it is stored in a variable. So girls, I have explained you what are constants. Constants are the values which we store in a variable. So in my next video, I'll show you how to do simple programming in Python. Thank you.